Guys, why thinking is easier than taking action? Why do we think so much? Why are we stuck in the loop of patterns, thinking patterns, patterns about our imagination, patterns what will happen in the future, patterns why we screwed up in the past, patterns why someone is ahead of us, patterns why we deserve better, patterns why we are not able to do it whereas others are able to do it. Why are we stuck in these patterns? Why are we not able to act and actually make our life better? That is going to be the topic for today. Now, this has been a major problem for most of the people, that we are thinking about hundreds of crores. We are thinking about making it our dream life. We are thinking about buying so many things, right? Why are we thinking? Why is it easy to think and it is difficult to act? Why? Well, action requires you to put physical effort as well as put yourself in the danger, right? When you are acting, when you are going out, when you are doing something, there are multiple possibilities that open up. One of the possibilities is always winning, right? Is always accomplishing. But the other possibilities are non-winning, in which you will not win, in which you will fail, in which people might not like you, people might not relate with you. Now, one is winning, the others are losing. Your mind is stuck in the fear of what if I don't win? What if people don't like me? What if people reject me? What if I'm not able to accomplish my goals, right? Your mind is stuck in the what if scenarios of the life. But remember one thing, is life only about winning? Think about it. Is life about winning or is life about living? I want you to note down this quote. This is one of the most powerful quotes that I have ever said. Life is not about winning, it is about living. What will happen if you will win here? Tell me. Kahan jaoge? Where will you go after winning? What will happen? We live in this world as if this world belongs to us and we are going to live here forever. We are not going to live here forever, yaar. These 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 years pass like this. In the grander scheme of things, we are here only for few hours, few seconds. This world, this universe existed millions of years before us, and it will exist millions of years after us also. We are here only for a short period of time. Now, in that short period of time, do you want to win or do you want to live? Because if you want to win, then there is a danger of losing, and then you will be overthinking. But if you want to live, then there is nothing like winning or losing. You are just living. And when you are just living, when you are not concerned about winning or losing, then there is no fear. Then you are not concerned about what will happen, what will people say. You are just doing what your heart says. You know, when I do these videos, I don't care what you will say in front of my videos. I don't care. I just want to make an impact. I just want to share. I'm living. Some people are concerned how they are looking, how their hairstyle is. ये t-shirt कैसी है, background कैसा है. People are concerned. Why? Because they're concerned about winning or losing. They're not concerned about living. If you go beyond winning and losing, you start living. And when you're living, you achieve big things. You achieve big things not because you want to achieve big things. You achieve greatness because you are living and you are happy. You don't care about winning or losing. See, when Virat Kohli plays the best cricket, we think, no, he's concerned about winning. Akash, वो तो जीतने के लिए खेल रहा है. No. That is his nature. He wants to play the best game ever. He is not doing it for winning or losing. Because if he would have been concerned about winning or losing, he would have been scared. He would have not started playing. He would have gone into, depression after a couple of games. He loves the game. He loves to be out there on the field. He loves the field when millions of people are clapping and cheering for him. Right? And he's doing it for that. Now, winning is because his game is good, because he has leadership qualities. So guys, from today onwards, let's drop this game about winning. Let's drop it. What will you do with those 1 crore, 50 lakhs, 25 lakhs if you're not happy? If you start becoming happy, you will earn much more. If you'll drop your attachment to winning or losing, you can do much more, because then you will be in action. You will be doing what your heart desires. You will be doing what you want to do. You will be doing what people want you to do, right? And when you will be doing rather than just thinking, then what will happen? Automatically results will start coming. I have been stuck in the pattern of thinking for too long in the past. My 2016, 2017, 2018 also, mid-year, full year, almost full year, it was more about thinking, thoughts. बड़े-बड़े dreams देखने start कर दिए थे, wanted to do a lot of things. But when you want to do so much, then automatically what comes? Pressure comes on your mind. It's like, what if it doesn't happen? What if I'm not able to accomplish those things? My God, I won't be able to live here. Now, when you detach yourself from the consequences and you just become a part of that task, your soul becomes one with that task, then you start doing it so well. You start doing it so well that people start paying you to do that. People say, you're amazing. We just want you to do this. Just like this. You make amazing Samsung phones. I want you to make Samsung phone, and I will buy your Samsung phone, because Samsung makes damn good phones. Apple make damn good phones. Right? Whoever make damn good phones, they are not making it just for money. They are making it because they love making phones. They love doing it. And that is how they become big. That is how they become inventors. So guys, this was my today's discourse. This was my today's message. Hope I am able to impact even 1% in your life today. Because if this 1% becomes a seed, in 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, this seed will become a forest. It has the possibility to become a forest. And I want that wild forest with wild animals, tigers, lions running in your life, in your heart. I don't want a coward sheep running in your heart. I want lions and tigers and elephants and all the wild creatures running in your heart. Isn't that fun? You sleep so well. You're like, my God, this is the life that I wanted. This is so amazing. And that is possible. That is possible if you listen to your heart and detach from winning and losing. If you win, that's perfectly good. But it's not because you wanted to win. It's because you wanted to play. You wanted to play well because your heart said play well. So from today onwards, I urge all of you to start playing because your heart wants you to play rather than to play for winning and losing. Winning and losing have been illusions for our mankind that have destroyed 99.9% dreams. It has destroyed dreams because we are too afraid of losing and winning is too tough. Hence we don't play. Hence we don't live. Now to reclaim our destiny, to reclaim the happiness back into our lives, let's today start playing because we want to play, not because we want to win, not because fearing was our major factor, right? Love you guys, take care and keep on taking massive action.